I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this Goodwill Blue Box. Hi friends, and welcome back to another video, and specifically to another unboxing video. Yes, we do these a lot on this channel, and today we're not unboxing a ThredUp box. Surprise! I actually went down the rabbit hole again and I got another Goodwill Blue Box, the 10 for 10, which means 10 items for $10, plus tax and shipping, so it's really closer to $16, so $1.60 per item. And these boxes, I don't have a lot of confidence in finding anything good in there. So you might wonder, why did you order one, Veronika? I don't have a good reason for that either. So these 10 for 10 boxes, they're cheap, but they also contain items that GoodwillBlueBox.com has deemed not worthy of their other clothing boxes, so you tend to get a lot lower quality / lower brand items that don't resell well, but occasionally you find something decent, and really with $16 into it, there is a good chance you can make a small profit on these boxes, and it's a very low risk. Of course, I do expect that I will be donating a lot of these, or maybe sending them to ThredUp, or giving them another life in some other way. Maybe I can repurpose something. That's not something I usually do, but who knows? Maybe I'll find something for myself. That would be nice as well. I've watched a few of these 10 for 10 unboxings lately, and I wasn't super impressed with anything I saw, but it was also not a complete train wreck like my own previous 10 for 10 box was, and I can link that video here. I will also link some videos or a whole playlist of me giving updates on previous boxes, including Goodwill Blue boxes and how they've performed for me. That playlist you can find up here as well. If you watch that playlist and if you've watched this channel for a while, you know that these Goodwill Blue boxes, for me, they don't perform well. I have friends that like them. Jennifer is one of them. She has good luck with these boxes. I have better luck with ThredUp, and don't you worry, I do have another ThredUp box coming as well, because we're just past the point of apologizing for ordering more boxes. If you enjoy those videos, definitely stick around, hit subscribe down here, and also like this video, okay? Let's see what is in here. This box came from Lake Worth, Florida. I think most of them do at this point. I could be wrong because I don't really order these anymore. I've gotten boxes from different locations before through Goodwill Blue Box. And yeah, Florida. Also don't have a lot of hopes for that one, but we'll see. Okay, so with these, oh, they're actually folded nicely. We got our invoice here, so 10 for 10. So my total was $16.05 with shipping and tax. 10 for 10 clothing box. Looks pretty nice so far. I see some nice patterns in here. Some things are in a bag, so maybe they're new, which doesn't necessarily mean that they're gonna go for much, but let's just find out what's in the bag. Okay, so they put a white item in a bag. It doesn't look new, but maybe they put it in a bag to protect it from color transfer, which I appreciate that they did that. Also, I'm gonna try and reuse this bag because it's resealable. So it looks like it's just a very basic tank top, but I could be wrong. Or I could be right. Maybe it doesn't have a brand. So let me show you first, and then we're gonna look for a brand together. So it's a crop top with a, what's it called? High neck, mock neck, right? But then in the back, there's a whole cutout situation. It looks like it could be one of those junior brands like an Abercrombie or a Shein, but I don't see a tag just yet. Okay, I've never heard of this brand, but it's tencel and spandex for the material content, so that's good. Can you see this? White items. Disruptive Youth? I mean, it could be decent. I'm not sure. It doesn't have a tag back here at the neck where the tag usually is, unless I'm missing something. But yeah, it's just a basic white crop top. I will definitely list this. I'm gonna look up comps and put them up here if I can find any, so that you have an idea of what this could go for. Not knowing anything about the brand, I would say if it's a lower end brand, I can probably get 12 to 15. If it's something that's maybe sold at Revolve and I just don't know about it, maybe I can get more, but it's very, you know, not substantial. But I think for the summer, it could be of interest to some people. Okay, we got another item in a bag, and this has tags on it. To be in style is the tag, and it's a 4XL, and I'm gonna say this is underwear. Yeah, we got some 4X granny panties in a very bright fuchsia color. That is certainly interesting. I mean, I'm glad they have tags on them and they're in a bag. Am I going to list these? I don't know. I mean, they're new with tags, and I do sell intimates, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this Goodwill Boo box, but okay. Okay. I mean, I've gotten underwear in boxes before. It's just, it just never ceases to amaze me. Okay, so I got more by this brand, Disruptive Youth. So now I really hope it's something good. This is 60% modal and 40% poly Sherpa, and they're fleece-lined leggings or sweatpants, joggers. They're joggers. They're actually kind of nice, and they do feel nice. So now I'm hoping that maybe this is a decent brand, and honestly, this plus the top could be a cute outfit for somebody who can fit into a size medium. Also, this looks like a small to me, but maybe it's a Junior's brand. I don't know. Okay, if this is also by this brand, I don't know what is going on, but it feels the same. Yep, feels exactly the same as the joggers, and I'm sensing a pattern here. So again, Disruptive Youth. We're going to learn a lot about this brand today. This is really nice, though. It's a very long hoodie. It feels super nice, like the whole Sherpa lining. It's modal, which is great fabric to get cozy in and get comfortable. And it even has, you know, the band down here. I don't know if you can see the texture is also the Sherpa. So I'm starting to have high hopes for this. It's a size small, so I will list this separately from the sweatpants, but it also has this. Is this showing up? Yeah, it has the cutout in the front. Interesting. I'm curious to hear more about this brand, but even if I can only sell each one of these for 12 bucks on Poshmark after fees, I get $9.05. That would already make me my money back, and then everything else would be profit. So here's hoping. Okay, here's something I am familiar with. Okay, all right, could be worse. So the brand is just Arizona. It's a size extra large, and it does have some sort of graphic tee vibe print to it. I have not really looked for flaws yet. It does have some spots in the back, but they could be fuzzies. Yep. What does it say? Durango, Baja, something? Oh no. Bandits, off-road rally, all-terrain. Yeah, I don't know what all of this means, but I think it will photograph well, so I might just put it out there for 10 bucks. Maybe not. It might not be worth my time. Okay, looks like we have another graphic tee. Okay, Dolphins football. That is what, Miami, I believe. I don't know anything about the sports ball, as Kayla would say. But this is kind of like a boxy shirt. Oh, it's by Reebok, actually, and it's a size medium. So I will list this. This might get me, what, 15 bucks maybe? I'm curious about this because I do love me some stripes. In case you can't tell by the sweatshirt I'm wearing, which I got off Poshmark, so pre-owned item that I'm wearing. Oh, this is cute. It's just Tommy Hilfiger, but it's cute. So if this doesn't sell, I can send it to ThreadUp and hopefully make my money back. I think it'll photograph well because it does have these nice pastel, colorful stripes. I'm trying to see if the buttons are there at the cuff. Yep, okay. And then it's just is it a full button down? No, it just has 1 or 2 buttons at the top here. So like a nice pop-over shirt, very lightweight, feels like it's just a cotton blend of some sort. Yeah, 100% cotton. So this kind of gives me like beachy resort vibes, like when you just want to put something on when you're going shopping or whatever. I don't know. I don't know what people do in resorts. I don't vacation. All right, we got Michael Kors, which I don't pick up, but when I get it in a box and list it, I sell it. So this I need to list soon because it's a glittery mesh golden shirt, and you definitely need some sort of camisole underneath it, or not. I mean, I don't judge. But yeah, Michael Kors. Size P, which I'm assuming is just small. Also has the Michael Kors in the back. Yeah, I'm listing it. I don't like it, but I'll list it. We'll see, maybe 15, 20 bucks. Again, I'll try to remember to put comms in. This feels like it could be a dress. White House Black Market, which is a brand I personally don't pick up for reselling, but I really like to wear. Oh, it's a size large. This might fit me, but it's like this polyester blend, so it's like uncomfortable. And it probably has a stain somewhere, so it's not a dress. It's a tunic, top, blouse, like a career top. Yep, I see a stain, but I can soak that if I decide to list it. Has these almost fluttery sleeves. It's not horrible. I don't hate it. Would I wear it? Based on the fabric, just the polyester fabric, probably not. Also, it's white and it already has stains, so I would probably just add more. But I might send it to ThreadUp. We'll see. I don't think I want to list it because I hate listing and photographing white items. Okay, we get the limited size large. A vest. Does it have a button? It has one button, so let me button it up. A vest, crop vest. I used to wear stuff like that a lot for teaching when I first started, and I, felt like I needed to spruce up my wardrobe. That's what I would wear over like some sort of, white shirt or something. It's cute. I don't think I want to list, well, I don't know. Maybe some retro trend is picking this up and somebody wants this. I don't know. I might list that. Not sure. Okay, looks like a skirt. Umi Collections by Encrement. Okay, so this is definitely vintage. It's a 100% wool skirt made in Hong Kong. I should probably show you the label. And it's kind of red and black striped almost like a little bit of a, not a houndstooth, like a tweed. Don't know anything about this brand, but it's a vintage skirt. I might just list it based on that. It's a size 8. It looks to be in good shape, but with wool, I may have some holes in it somewhere. Okay, a few more items. I feel like it's more than 10, but who knows. This looks like a dress, a jacket, something. Forever 21 size small dress. What a cute Forever 21 size small tweed dress. There's a little bit of glitter. This could be cute for the holidays. It's definitely mini, but it's adorable, honestly. For Forever 21 especially, this is very, very cute. So I'm gonna list this. Get maybe 15 bucks for it. We'll see. Okay, 2 more items, I think. This is a full box. Okay, it looks like another skirt, which I don't care for, and it's a Gap skirt, size 2, olive green mini skirt. Might send that to ThreadUp. Not sure if I want to list that, just because skirts don't sell to me, and especially not basic little pencil skirts and mini skirts like that, but we'll see. Okay, box is empty, and I have one more item to show you. This looks like a men's item, maybe not. Has a hood. Oh, is that, what is that? I know that logo. Is that Zoo York? Okay, so I think that's men's, right? Could be women's. So Zoo York, which I never pick up, but I think that can do okay depending on what it is. This is very basic. It does have the logo embroidery right here. It has a hoodie, it has stripes, but it's a good staple piece, for fall, for winter, even for spring. It is lightweight, so maybe not for winter. And what else? Does it have anything else going on? Oh, it does have a kangaroo pocket in the front. So, a little pop over hoodie. It gives me men's vibes more than women's, but it could just be unisex. I mean, wear whatever the hell you want. It does not matter what I think or what designers or fashion companies think. So yeah, size small, designed in New York City. Interesting. So out of all of these, most of these items I would not have picked up, but I've been surprised before by items that I received in boxes like this one and that I listed and that sold, and I would have never even thought about picking them up. A lot of times they didn't sell for much, but an extra 20 bucks is an extra 20 bucks. So I'm not going to complain about that. Out of all these items, I think I'm going to be listing probably most of them. I will put an estimate over here what I think I can make on this box. I definitely think I can make a profit. Are these the most exciting items? No, but I had 16 bucks into all of these. So I will do a quick count because I feel like it's more than 10, but I could be wrong. So let's count real quick and then we'll come back for some final thoughts. Wow, 14 items. So that drops my cost of goods to $1 and a little bit of change. So that's better than my bins. Again, a lot of these I wouldn't have picked up, but that also makes it easier for me to just say, okay, some of these I can just send to ThredUp or even donate if they have flaws that I haven't seen yet. But the ones that I'm going to list, yeah, I'll definitely make a profit off of these. I'm curious to find out more about this Disruptive Youth brand that I got 3 items from. It could be a cute outfit, actually. I'm going to learn something new for the other items and brands. Again, nothing super thrilling, but 16 bucks. For 14 items. So I might order one of those boxes again. Not sure, probably not anytime soon, but I wouldn't rule it out. So this box definitely made up for the previous box of crap that I got that only had worn out Walmart and Target shirts that I was not excited for, and not even like the good Target brands. So I'm fairly happy with this box. Given what you pay for it, I think that was a decent box in terms of the items and whether they're interesting enough to list, whether the brands are promising. So I'm definitely happy that I got this box, which is good because nobody wants to record a video where they're just getting more and more depressed about the contents of their respective box. So I will film an update on this box in a few months and let you know how everything performed, how much I actually made on it, if anything sold at all. Who knows? We'll come back to this video then and talk about it. And if you're interested in more unboxing videos, I have a whole playlist up here that you can check out. And I do hope that you will subscribe if you're not already and hit the thumbs up button. I will see you guys really soon for another video. As the outro is rolling, check out the playlists and the video that is linked down here. And again, if you're not subscribed, you can do it right here. So I'll see you soon. Cheers!